behind. Go behind.
Punch the head and go behind.
Snap. Shuck it. Snap it. Watch your feet. Run the cradle.
Cradle. Come on.
Near side cradle. Near. Step over that arm and go in the near side cradle. Get your legs out. Get your hips out. Good. Underhook that.
Wing it. There you go. Sweet. Help.
Underhook the arm. Go under the arm. Go under the arm. 1-on-1. Pull it in. Be tough in there. Hey, that's a big 106. That's a big one. Jamie's.
There we go.
1-on-1.5.
Help.
Force it.
Help.
There you go. Good drag.
There you go. Bring him down.
Do it again. Trip.
Triple. Triple. Come on.
Half. Half.
There you go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Put your weight on him. Squeeze. Squeeze. Put your weight on him. Squeeze.
Look up.
Pick the head up. Put your weight on him. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze.
So
strong and hard. Come on.
Shoot the double, Jimmy. Shoot it. Right now.
Shoot. Double. Double. Shoot. Double. Give it to that. Pop the elbows up.
throw his arms up. Snap his head up.
Shoot.
Expose the legs.
Pop the arms up. Shoot.
No, don't dive. Go, go, go. Keep scrambling. Keep scrambling. Keep. There you go. Drive in. Oh.
Get out, get out, get out of there.
Jamie.
Finish it. Hip over into him. Hip into him.
There you go. Squeeze. Put your weight
Walk
on.
over the body. Step over the body.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Come on. Put your weight on him. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Step over. Hook,
Step over.
hook his leg.
Step.
There you go. 1-on-1.5. 1-on-1. Let's go. Pull it in. Barbed wire. Barbed wire. Cross face to a barbed wire. Cross face. Right there to a barbed wire. Barbed wire.
Come on. Come on.
He didn't crossface.
Get out of cross face it, man.
Cradle.
Let's go. Cross face.
Cross face him. Come on.
Lock it up.
Come on, Jamie.
Let's go. Drag it over again. Run the half. Don't get up around the head. That's why you don't get your legs up around the head.
Bridge out. Bridge out. See now how to bridge?
Go for it. Double, double, double. Shoot.
Step. Let go of the arm. Let go.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Lift his head. Look up. Lift his head.
Squeeze. Come on.
Chin in the shoulder if you have to. Let's go. Hook it back over.
Put your weight on him. Squeeze.
Step
Come on, Jamie. Put your weight on him. Squeeze.
Got to step over that leg. There we go.
There you go.